This is the Wyze vacuum that I recently got. This is the box. I believe this is the only Wyze product that you don't need the app to use it. This is the specification on the box. Mine came with this little bag that have a vacuum filter inside. I think it's an extra one, but this is what it looks like. It's nicely built, rubbery, the gray part with the filter around it. Let's open the box. You got all those stuff inside of the bag, the outlet, the door lock, the light bulb, camera, but it's just a vacuum inside. Here's the vacuum. First off, it doesn't feel that heavy. This is one of the main reasons that I got it. I needed something smaller to do some light quick work around the house and also around in both of our car, mine and my wife. Let's put that aside. I'll try to do a demonstration at the end of the video. So I guess the way you open this, you just twist it. And it looks like it does come with a filter, so they give you an extra one. So I did pre-order this. I don't know if they give everybody an extra filter after that. This is the way you empty all the trash out. You got a power button here. It doesn't sound that loud. It sounds like a vacuum, but it doesn't sound that loud. Get a little bag. This is one of the first attachments. Another attachment. Look like they give you this little extension to put everything, to click everything with. This one. Get a power brake. Look like it's a 2 amp power brake, regular USB. And you get a USB cable, regular USB to USB Type-C, which is really nice. That's when you can also use the same one to charge other devices around the house. Then you get a quick start guide. Probably don't really need to use it, but this is what it looks like. Give you some more information about the vacuum. So this is everything that's come in the box. Again, I did pre-order mine. I don't believe they will include all those attachments for people who buy it after the pre-order. I think for whoever that pre-ordered this, they give you extra fitting to clean with. So now I'm going to try to do a quick demonstration to show you what it can do. So the way you turn it on, you just press and hold the power button. It gives you the normal speed. After you turn it on, if you press it again, it goes to a turbo mode, I guess. Let me show you. Now I'm gonna do a quick demonstration. I didn't really have any dirty area in the house because we recently cleaned everything. So I'm gonna try to do a Wyze demonstration, and I might try to go to my car and see if it's need to be cleaned. I can show you what it looks like. Yeah, I can tell this is definitely gonna be handy for us because we have 2 little kids, so they make quite a mess. So this is gonna be really useful. And this is how easy it is to dump stuff out once you're done. You just click it open and dump everything out. Let's try it with this attachment. As you can see, it got no issue pulling stuff in. And again, it's really easy to dump it out. So this is the kids' car seats. As you can see, they get quite messy. It's actually looking way better than what they usually look like. Let's see how good it can clean those crack and cranny. As you can see, it's working pretty good. Now I'm gonna try to do the floor area. As you can see, it's doing what it's supposed to do. Now I'm gonna go on the other seat to see if it have anything that need to be cleaned. The other seat is looking better, but let's just try to clean this little area right here. This is just on regular speed, not the turbo one, and you can see it's doing a pretty good job. Overall, I think it's a nicely built little vacuum that will improve our life, especially cleaning kids' mess in the car. And if you're interested in getting this product, I would recommend it. I will leave a link in the description below. You can also get it on the Wyze website. Let me show you what I did manage to get in the truck. So some of the stuff are kind of sticky. So for example, on the floor mat, it was not able to soak up everything because some of them have to be washed out, and this is what I was able to get. When the truck wasn't that messy compared to what it usually is, but this is what I was able to get off, and there's still some crumb inside of the vacuum that I need to clean now, or maybe some point at the future. But overall, I am really liking this product. It's light to handle, small, can fit anywhere. Again, if you're interested in buying this product, I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Tell me what you did not like about the video. Besides that, have a good one.